All right, let's dive into another chemistry question. This one says, name the phase transition in each of the following situations and indicate whether it is exothermic or endothermic. All right, so the three phases we're going to be dealing with are solid, liquid, and gas. And there's different phase changes depending on which one we're going to or coming from. To go from left to right here, it takes energy to do. It takes heat applied to turn something from solid to liquid and liquid to gas. So going the other direction, it actually gives off heat. So left to right takes heat, right to left gives off heat. If something takes heat to do, that's called endothermic. If it gives off heat, it's called exothermic. So let's work on this first example here. Bromine vapor turns into bromine liquid. So vapor turning into liquid is something called condensation. So this first one is condensation. We're going from vapor, which is a gas, to a liquid, so we're going from right to left. So this is an exothermic process, or it gives off heat rather than taking it in. Crystals of iodine disappear from an evaporating dish as they stand in a fume hood. So we had crystals, which are a solid, and they disappear. So they're going to go from solid to gas, it sounds like, which is a process called sublimation. Going from solid to gas is sublimation. And since we're going from left to right here, this is going to be an endothermic reaction because it takes heat to make this happen. Rubbing alcohol in an open container slowly disappears. Rubbing alcohol is a liquid, and that's disappearing, which means it's turning into a gas. It's not actually disappearing, it's just turning into something that's not visible to us. But the gas is going to be there. That's called evaporation, when a liquid turns into a gas. Again, we're going from left to right here. It takes heat to make something evaporate, so this is endothermic. And we've got molten lava, a liquid, turning into a solid rock. We can call that solidification. And that's a liquid turning into a solid, so that's going to give off heat and is exothermic.